challenges we faced in planning this project were mainly based on our financial challenges, which are the fact that we had to ask each blockmate for donations and that we had to consider the transportation when we arrive at the site, to and from the site, which is why we had to pay double the fare. And one of the few problems too was that most of our blockmates came from different areas like Pozoropio, La Union, Bugalyon, San Carlos, and because of this, we thought of the fact that none of them would be able to have their breakfast prior to the event. So we also decided that with the funds we have, we'd like to accommodate the fact that each one of us would be hungry after the event. But overall, after very considerate and careful planning, we were able to achieve the project now.
We started this project since 2010. There was a time in 2009, it's 2009, na nagkaroon ng dredging ang ating government because of the flooding that happened in the city. So they plan to have, of course, the rivers to be widened, and the effect of that dredging is for the Bakawan to be sacrificed. In 2010, the Regional Office of Science Department launched the community-based project, and we ought to have, of course, yung Bakawan planting along riverbanks of Longos River. Since then, we experimented how to plant these propagules successfully so that we will be having this Bakawan nowadays. Then this project continued from 2010 up to now. In 2022, we had joined the World's Best School in Environmental Action, sponsored by T4 Education, and we presented this project of ours. Then we won the grand prize of the World's Best School in Environmental Action with a reward of $50,000. And from that time on, we plan to have, of course, Bakawan Center at Bunuan Bukid National High School.
Being a student leader, this mangrove planting activity was both challenging and fulfilling experience. I learned how mangroves protect our coastal communities from storm surge, erosion, and also from flooding.